Alright, we're here at the high-end Alma garage. We have the Schindler with VMI buttons.
Whoa. Oh no, this Scenic is ruined.
Send it to 5?
Send it up.
Alright.
The glass here is not as bad as the one in Mountain View.
Not as bad.
And the view's a little nicer. Dead chime. It's a fifth floor.
We're a tech phone.
Wow, the indicator's so scratched up. The whole panel's scratched out.
It's definitely been vandalized a lot. Dirty cab. Flickering light back here.
I know.
And that glass is disgusting.
I wonder if we can send it up.
Hey, let's go see if we can watch it.